Hey guys, welcome to Power Ridge Homestead. We are continuing with the bathroom. So we've got the walls painted. It's a light beige. I don't know if you can actually see it from here on the video very well. We're missing a toilet and a sink. Look at the colors that were back there. It's always interesting to take out appliances out of different stuff. Got some burgundy, kind of darker browns, pinks, I don't know. Interesting. And then we're getting the floor done now. So we'll put the floor in first. And that we just carried over from out in the hall. Same style and coloring. And then from there, and we put the mirror up already. And this mirror is cool. It's lighted. Look at that. It's lighted and it also has a defogger in it as well. So what do you think? The guys have just gone to the store to get some plumbing stuff. But that looks great. Got a nice little cabinet. Still waiting on the toilet. And the floor is done. Doesn't that look fantastic? I love that color. Look at that. It just matches perfectly. It sets off the new wall color really well too. Alright folks, here we go. The big reveal. Baseboards are done. Carpet is down. Sink. Ooh. Toilet. I like the toilet. Paintings. Everything's up. Colored. See what we bought. Put that for the back of the door because we don't want to put in a towel rack yet. Whoever buys the house can put a towel rack in. Cecil's got all the baseboards done. And it looks fantastic. So shower. Baseboards. Toilet. And sink. There we go. Good stuff. Then, to give you an idea too, you can't really see it very well. I can't see the whole closet anyways, but we put new closets up. Cecil and John. Got the closet doors. We've had them for a couple months. Just put them up here in the hall, in the back bedroom, in the hall, in the office, and in our main bedroom. There's the main bedroom. Oops. There's the main bedroom. These ones are really tall, floor to ceiling. Look at that, eh? Isn't that fantastic? 3 doors. I haven't had closet doors probably in 17 years. And here we're getting it cleaned up. And there's the other one. Floor to ceiling again. Really tall. Really tall. Excellent. Excellent job, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe.